and welcome to Katrina's Creations. This is a knit crate unboxing for May. So I do have two boxes. This is the affiliate box that they send me for free, and the other box is one that I bought because I liked the colors this month. Now, this is my last monthly knit crate. I do have another order coming in. Knit crate as of June 1st is upping their price an additional $4, which means each box, instead of 20, it used to be years ago, well, about a year ago, it was $24.99. Then they upped it to $29.99, and now they are upping it an additional $4, which means the box itself is going to be $33.99, and that's just a little too pricey with that plus the shipping. So I actually have canceled my subscription with Knit Crate, but like I said, I do have, they had one more like big blowout sale, so I do have two boxes that I ordered that were part of that sale and some other yarn. So there is a big Knit Crate unboxing coming up, but I don't know if they'll continue to send me the affiliate box or not. So we'll play it by ear. But anyway, if you want to give Knit Crate a check out, you can. The link is down below. You can get your first box for half off. Just make sure you cancel it before the first of the month if you don't want to get billed each month for it. So that being said, let's take a peek and see what I got sent. The first one that I'm going to show you is the box that I actually ordered, and it is a chain ply. So let me hold that up so you can see it. There you go. It looks like it's braided, but it's a chain ply, and the color is pretty true to color. It is called Hydrangea. This is a Vitalana Loft DK. It is 48% merino wool, 20% baby alpaca, and 32% organic Pima cotton. There's 274 yards per skein. So it is extremely soft, and I liked the color. I like hydrangeas. In fact, I have some planted on the side of my house, but I liked the blue. And the colors that were offered this month, let me show you. Okay, so the theme this month was called watercolor, and these were the colors that were available, these three here, with the knit and crochet box. So you had daffodil, hydrangea, which is what I got, and spray rose. I almost got this one because I really liked the pink also. If you ordered a sock crate, you got a choice of these colors here. So yeah, I liked all three of these this month. So that's what I went with. So I got this one, but you'll have to look and see in just a minute what the other box was that I got. So, and I will show you the patterns in a minute too. Okay, my second, oh, and the box came with a little stitch or progress keeper from Katrinkles. No relation. I kind of wonder if her name is Katrina, but it's katrinkles.com. I'm not sure how well it's going to show up. It's not going to show up very well. But you can see a little person etched on there. Let's see if I can get, there we go. It has a little artist, and they are painting a skein of yarn. So that was the freebie that was in with this month, and it's like a an iridescent plastic. So yeah, really cute. So now to see what I got in the other box. So I was quite happy because, okay, the other box, I did not get the pink. I got the yellow. This is the daffodil. Like I said, I liked all three colors, so I would have been happy with any of them. But if you've been watching my channel for a while, You know that blue and yellow is a color combination that I love. My living room is like on the other side of this wall, and it's done in yellow and blue. And you can see in the background here, I've got yellow and blue. It's my favorite color combination. Look how nice that's going to look. I have no clue what I'm going to make at this point, because all together between all 4 skeins, I'm going to have, what was it, 274 yards per skein? I will have well over 1,000 yards, I think. I'll put down below here how many yards total I will have. But this is going to be something pretty, and I think I will do something for the house, but I'm not sure quite what yet. So I'll have to check into that. So now let's take a look at the patterns. So in your box, you always get a little brochure like this that talks about the theme, and then on the back, I'm folding it so you don't see the coupon codes. On the back, it shows you the color options that were available, and then it gives you coupons. And the coupon gives you discounted yarn for whatever's left over at the end of the month, and it also gives you the link to the pattern. So you always are going to get 4 patterns. You get 2 knit patterns and 2 crochet patterns. 2 of those patterns, one of the knit and one of the crochet, are for socks, so they're not going to work for these. They will work for the sock crate, but if you've got sock weight yarn, you can use the pattern too. So let's take a look at what was given as the patterns for this month. The knit pattern was called Daffodils in Sunshine, and that was by Lauren Rad. The crochet pattern is called Lofty Garden Stole, and that's by, and I will probably totally butcher the last name, Meredith Trzbiatowski. So those are the 2 patterns that are appropriate to use with this yarn. Now the sock patterns that came in, there was the crochet sock pattern, which was called In Bloom Ankle Socks, and I really liked I liked all 4 of the patterns, but I really liked the sock patterns this month. So it was In Bloom Ankle Socks, and that's by Liz Salazar. And then the knit pattern is Impasto Socks by Laura Fallen Designs. So those are the 4 patterns that were included with the knit crate this month. So yeah, that was it. And of course I got another one of these in the second box. So like I said earlier in the video, if you are interested in knit crate, the link is down below. I think the products are nice, the yarn is nice. It's just getting a little too pricey for me. And I don't know if they will continue with the affiliate boxes or not, so time will tell. But that is my unboxing for May's knit crate. Don't forget to stop by tomorrow, because I will be doing my monthly bariatric journey update to let you know how much I've lost, what's going on. There's been some interesting things happening, so if you've been through weight loss or weight loss surgery, yeah, please tune in. I'd like a little advice to see if you are experiencing some of the same things that I am. So that is it for today for the knit crate unboxing, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye everybody.